tell you.
We miss her too.
Watch this heartbreaking message to his dying son.
I want you always to listen to your mum. Because she's your best friend. And girls, you're too young for them now. But when the time comes, treat them like princesses. I will always be here for you. Right here.
Please don't be upset. Please don't be upset.